Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about prepositions of time. Prepositions are parts of speech that are used to denote the time, location, direction, etc. of a noun. In this video, we will focus on prepositions of time. We will learn in what situation or for what they are used for, and we will also learn their use with the help of examples. Preposition of time is a preposition used to indicate when a particular action takes place. On number 1, we have at. At means point in time. It is used for exact time, festivals, or short periods. For example, at 6 p.m. at night or at the weekend. Next preposition of time is on. On is used when you indicate something on the calendar. For example, specific days, dates, etc. For example, when I want to indicate a particular day, I'll say on Monday or on Tuesday, like this. If I want to indicate a particular date, I can say on 15th August or on 19th September, like this. And if I want to indicate a particular day without mentioning the date, I can say on my birthday or on his anniversary, like this. Next preposition of time is in. In is like a container of time. It is used to indicate months, years, centuries, or time of day. For example, in March, in 2024, in the morning, like this. Next preposition of time is by. By is used when we want to indicate something before or at a time. That means it is used for showing deadline or not later than. For example, by 5 p.m., by tomorrow, by next year, like this. Next is since. Since is used to indicate the starting point of a time period. That means it is used for point of time, specifically starting point of time. For example, since 1999, since morning, etc. Next word is for. For is used for a period of time. That means to show the duration or how long an event took place. For example, for 2 years, for example, for 2 hours, or for 10 years, like this. Next is before. Before is used for earlier. Earlier than a point in time. For example, before 6 p.m., before lunch, etc. Next is after. After is used for events that took place later. Later than a point in time. For example, after class, after Monday, etc. Next is until or till. It is used when we want to show something that happened up to that time or up to a point of time. For example, until Friday, till sunset, etc. Next is during. During is used when we show something within a time event or within a time period. For example, during summer, during the meeting, etc.